Human evolution is a very interesting topic in biology. It gives an insightful about how we all evolved from our earlier ancestors. Human evolution is the biological process by which modern humans developed from ape-like ancestors over millions of years. Now, I invite our students to exhibit human evolution in biology.
Throughout the vast expanse of time, our story begins in the deeps of prehistory, where the earliest ancestor of human emerged from the shadows of the ancient world. From the primitive primates to the curious hominids who began to walk upright, the journey of human evolution is remarkable. Adaptation, discovery, and survival. Over millions of years ago, our ancestors developed complex tools, languages, and culture, paving the way to the modern humans we are today. Join us to explore the milestones that shaped our species, tracing the incredible human evolution from our distant origin to the present day.
I am early hominid, lived around 6 to 7 million years ago. I eat fruits like this, orange, vegetables and leaves. From me, I lived in forests and woodlands. I have a small brain and a protecting face. From me, the next stage of human evolved, Dryropithecus.
I am Dryopithecus. I am evolved from early hominids. I lived in trees. I walk with 4 legs. I lived around 12 to 9 million years ago. From me, Ramapithecus is evolved.
I am Ramapithecus, evolved by Dryopithecus. I have more brain capacity and I used to eat fruits, nuts, grasses, etc. I walk on hind feet with webbed legs. And also, I estimated 40 million to 8 million years ago. Because of the climate changes, my future subject evolved into the next life, that is Australopithecus.
I am Australopithecus, lived 4 to 2 billion years ago. I lived in Africa in large groups or in small communities. My favorite food are fruits, seeds, and even sometimes small animals. I have a stone tool to hunt and to protect me from my enemies. My body is short and stocky. I have a small brain which is similar to that of chimpanzees. I was evolved from Ramapithecus and Homo habilis was evolved from me.
I am Homo habilis. I am evolved from Australopithecus. I have a larger brain than my ancestor. It ranges from about 500 to 800 cubic centimeters. I am the first human being walking on 2 legs. I have a larger brain with a brow ridge and smaller teeth. I live in small social groups in African savanna, having members 70 to 85. I use stone tools for protection and making fire. My next stage is Homo erectus.
I am Homo erectus, evolved from Homo habilis around 1.8 million to 50,000 years ago, having human-like skull. My brain is bigger than my ancestor's brain, so I'm more intelligent than my ancestor and have the capability of problem solving and manage our enemies in the forest. Look at the tools I am using for hunting and protection. I use fire to cook food. I eat both plants and animals. I moved out of Africa and reached other parts of the world. My ancestors lived in trees, but I live in land with small groups. From me, the next stage evolved is Neanderthal man.
I am Neanderthal man, shorter than modern human. I have long skull with brain size 1500 to 1700 cc's. I can live in both hot and cold climates. We live in small groups carrying sick and elders. We have sounds and language to communicate, burying dead bodies and wearing jewelries. From me, Homo sapiens has been evolved.
I am Homo sapiens, the modern man, evolved in Africa 2 to 3 lakh years ago. I have large brain size. I like to eat fruit, vegetables, meat, and insects. My ancestors were in Africa. Later, we explored various parts of the world. And we started agriculture and settled in a place. And we started to cover our body with cloths. Next is the modern man.
I'm the modern human, and I'm the most advanced and intelligent creature in the world. My lifestyle is unique and a pattern way of living, but different from my ancestors. Are humans still evolving? Yes, humans are still evolving, but it's slower and harder to see in the short term. Modern humans continue to change through genetic mutation, natural selection, cultural and environmental influences. Humans' evolution influences are in new ways, such as modern medicines help people to survive genetic conditions and reproduce. Glasses, hearing aids, and even AI help humans adapt not biologically but culturally and environmentally. We used to travel from one part of the world to the other with the transportations. We used to communicate with complex language and smartphones. We don't have muscle power, but with our intelligence and we are mastery over everything.
Our story begins millions of years ago, deep in lush forests of Africa, where the earliest ancestors of human first appeared. These primates, part of the great ape family, gradually evolved traits that set them apart from other animals. Around 7 million years ago, the line that could become human diverged from the common ancestor we share with chimpanzees. Walking upright becoming a defining feature of our linkage. Fast forward to about 2.5 million years ago, with the emergence of Australopithecus, our ancestor began to develop larger brains and more complex tools. The genes Homo appeared roughly 2 million years ago, with the Homo habilis, often called handyman, of its use of primitive tools. Over time, species like Homo erectus spread out Africa into the Asia and Europe, mastering fire tools. Around 3 lakh years ago, Homo sapiens, modern humans, emerged in Africa characterized by a large brain capacity, complex tools, and cultural development. Around 60,000 years ago, began migrating across the globe, eventually replacing or interbreeding with other hominids such as Neanderthal. This migration led to a diverse population which see today. The evolution of human from our common ancestor with other primates is written in our DNA. Over millions of years, many small important genetic changes shaped our biology, brain, and behavior. Here is a breakdown of the key DNA changes in the human evolution.
I am here to explain about the causes of human evolution. Cause number 1, chromosomal changes. This is due to fusion of chromosome 2. Cause 2, changes in protein coding genes. This helps for speech and language and brain development. Cause number 6, skin, hair and pigmentation genes. Cause number 7, integration from other humans. Thank you.
And so, the story of human evolution is not just about biological changes, it's a testament of our enduring spirit and the constant quest to the understanding where we come from and where we are headed.
Common ancestry, a bond so strong, uniting all life where we all belong. Thank you.